Hey guys, welcome into my kitchen. Today I'm going to be doing a quick stir fry, just a little stir fry. It's a beef stir fry, and I'm finding at Kroger's they have a lot of different cuts of meat, and so I found this stir fry version in the meat department, and I'm going to give it a try today. So I was in the mood for some Chinese, so we're going to put our hand at it and see what we come up with. All right, so I have my beef. I've actually cut this beef. This beef was a little bit long, so I went ahead and I cut it in half, and I have it here in the bowl already cut in half. Okay, so we're going to add to this. The secret to my Chinese food when I decide to cook Chinese is I'm going to add ginger. This is 2 tablespoons of ginger. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Throw that in. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons again of This is argo, to thicken your sauce for your stir fry. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of that. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of ginger. Never can go wrong with ginger. With garlic. This is my garlic. So I'm going to throw that in. In fact, I don't think I have much of that left, so I'm just going to throw that in. Chinese food always do pretty good with some garlic in it. And also, I'm going to use the rest of my soy sauce. It usually calls for 1/4 cup of soy sauce, but I'm going to go ahead and use what I have. I just have a little bit left. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of substitute a little bit with that. Since that's all I had, I'm going to go in with some teriyaki sauce. And again, it's gonna make up to about 1/4 of a cup of this teriyaki sauce. Okay, so we're gonna let this marinate all together for about 20 minutes. So we're gonna just kind of give it a stir. I'm gonna throw that away a little bit. We're gonna give it a stir, let it marinate, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, now that we've let our meat marinate for about 20 to 25 minutes, what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna go ahead and we put a little oil. I use a little olive oil that we're gonna fry in. I put maybe 4 tablespoons of olive oil in our pot. Okay, if you have a non-stick pot, you can use a little bit less oil. Okay, so we have our stove on. It's on medium heat. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and put our meat. Let me go ahead and get some tongues. We're gonna go ahead and drop our meat in. We're gonna let our oil get a little bit warm. Okay, and we're gonna drop our meat in. I'm gonna use one as a tester. Maybe I should turn that fire up just a little bit more. Okay, I kind of have it on a little medium. So what we're gonna do in the meanwhile, while that's getting a little hot, we're gonna go ahead and work on our vegetables. Okay, what I have is something that I picked up from H-E-B, but it's a broccoli blend stir fry. Okay, so cheat a little bit, but we're gonna add some fresh also. So this is frozen. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that into the pot. And it has carrots, it has mushrooms and peppers and red peppers, but also I'm gonna go ahead and add some fresh broccoli in with that because I like a lot of vegetables. Okay, so we're gonna throw that in, and we're gonna put a little water in this to let this steam a little bit over here. Okay, so I've added maybe 1/4 cup of water. Okay, we're gonna cover that for now, and we're gonna let it steam for 2 minutes. Okay, and of course on a medium heat. It sounds like our little grease is a little hot over here. Okay, and we're gonna throw the rest of our beef in. Got to be careful in the kitchen. That grease will get you sometimes. Okay. We're going to put all of our beef in that's been marinating for about 20 minutes. Okay. And then, yes, I'm going to use all the little juices because that's what's going to give you your sauce. So don't throw anything away. We're going to get all of that out, and we're going to let that cook. And so this probably will take another 15 minutes to become well done. I like my beef well done. And while that's going on, we're going to again steam our broccoli for about 2 to 3 minutes. We're going to let that steam, and we'll be right back. Our beef is really coming along. I'm going to just let that, I'm going to put this on a low heat, and I'm going to go ahead and cover that up and let that just kind of simmer a little bit. On the side, you might want to make your rice. One of my favorite rices that I love to cook with is Zatarain's rice, guys. If I tell you the rice comes out really flaky, it doesn't stick together, really nice texture of rice, okay? So we're gonna actually turn this off now because I don't wanna overcook that sauce and make it thicken up anymore. Our vegetables are coming along, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna throw all of this in together, okay? Once my vegetables are all done, once it's all steaming, you know the texture that you like your broccoli to come out. Once it hits that broccoli, I'm gonna cook this maybe for another, I would say 3 minutes, and that's gonna be done. We're gonna put this all together in one dish, just throw it all together, put it over a bed of rice, and we'll see what we come up with. I didn't make it to the couch. It's just that good. This is really delicious. Not to be surprised because I cooked it, but I'm gonna make it over to that couch. I promise. Have a good day.